Alright, today we're doing cube root. As you can see, that's a typo. Cube root transformations. But you can see we're actually doing cube root because there's a little 3. Alright, it says H is the horizontal shift. I'm going to read this again because there's one difference. Okay, H is the horizontal shift. Shifts left or right. K is the vertical shift, as we know, up or down. But it says the turning point is H comma K. As we know, cube roots are drawn on the graph like that. So this turning point here, where it turns and goes up, that point is H comma K. All the rest are the same. If A is negative, the function is reflected across the x-axis. If A is greater than 1, it's a vertical stretch. If A is between 0 and 1, it's a compression. All right? So it's all the same stuff. As you can see, there were many typos here. It wasn't me, someone just copy and pasted the square root. They're the same equations as yesterday, but I want us to write a little 3 right here. They're the exact same. So I want us to write a little 3 there. So if they're the exact same, the transformations are going to be the same, okay? So we see we have the cube root of x minus 7 plus 2. So we know it's right 7 and then up 2. Because remember, inside something tells a lie. So that negative 7 is inside the square root symbol, okay? So instead of going left, what you think you'll do when you see minus 7, you're actually going to go right, okay? That should be easy by now. Right 7 up 2, all right? The only difference between cube root and square root transformations is that turning point, if we ever have to graph a transformation. But they are the same, okay? So we see number 2, we have 4 and then cube root of x minus 1. So it'll be vertical stretch by 4, and then that minus 1 is on the outside means down 1. And that's it. All right. Then on the last one, I won't hold you up too long because it's literally the same as yesterday. Just remember, picture a little 3 here, because it was written as yesterday's. We see that negative on the outside, negative cube root of x plus 3, so that negative is reflect across x-axis, and then that plus 3 on the inside means left 3. And we are done, okay? It's the same transformations. The only difference is that h comma k point will be our turning point in the graph. All right, that's the only difference between cube and square. So it should be just as easy as yesterday. See, it says the turning point is h comma k. Everything else is the same. All right, complete the worksheet, turn it in.